Hello everyone.
I'm Eritheiia.
I'm Humayun Shafiq. Welcome to Eritheia Labs.
Eritheia Labs was founded to provide top-notch software products and services worldwide.
Our engineers are the problem solvers with a can-do attitude.
Mute. Our internal meeting room where we plan our sprints to meet our sharp deadlines. Tired of work? Have a cup of tea.
Or coffee maybe. Our marketing strategies are perfect from beginning to end.
Got a crash? Let us fix it.
Guess what? Bugs are afraid of us.
Whether it's work or fitness, we go the extra mile.
Welcome to our conference room. Thank you all for coming on such a short notice.
Great ideas come when you are in your comfort zone.
Want to get higher?
Come and meet us.
Food is an ingredient that binds us together.
Time to have some fun.
Our studio
Where we create what you seek.
Thank you for watching.
Stay tuned for more.